Today we are practicing Abhaya Hridaya Mudra, the seal of the fearless heart. Welcome to the Womb Moon Yoga, yoga that helps women to be free and joyful in their bodies and their relationships. So we are going to start by having our hands together in Namaste Mudra, and then we'll cross the right wrist over the left, bringing the backs of the hands together. And from here you want to get your right index finger wrapped over the left, then right middle finger wrapped over the left. We skip the ring fingers and we'll get the right little finger wrapped over the left. And so we have the ring fingers free and they will touch the taps of the thumbs. So it looks kind of complicated, but it's really not. If you follow the instructions, you'll manage. And then you're going to place this mudra right at the level of your heart. And so I recommend you to hold it for some time. You may start with just 2-3 minutes and then go up to 5-10 minutes. And while you're holding it, I just want to tell you a few words about the benefits that you might be able to experience. First of all, the name Abhaya means no fear. So that's why it's fearless heart. And so it helps us to develop the courage to speak our heart's truth, to follow our heart. Whenever you find that your mind is very busy, maybe you have a little bit of anxiety, it's a good way to help the energy from the head to descend down into the heart center. It's also helpful for the physical benefits of the heart, just improving the blood and energy circulation in the chest area. And it's a great companion for those challenging, difficult times when you feel that you really need to get more energy and more courage to be yourself. And there is nothing more important in life than being yourself and speaking your truth. I hope this mudra will help you with this, and I'm looking forward to more videos and more comments from you. Please subscribe, please share anything down below in the comments and share it with your friends too. Namaste.